Okay.
Then, uh,
Ma'am Jer? Ma'am Jer? Ma'am Jer?
Hi.
Jer Luz?
Yes. Yes, Sir John.
Nag-join ba yung partner mo na nag-a-ask nitong training?
Ay, hindi po.
Nag-join ba sila?
Ardent
Hindi.
lang, sir. Opo. Wait lang. Bell?
Pwede mo i-invite.
Hello, Miss Che.
Yes. Pwede ba sila mag-join?
I thought sa Ardent lang. Hindi ko na-invite.
Oh.
Sige, ask ka, ma'am.
Try mo, pakitry. Para
Sige,
ano,
sige.
kasi sila yung may equipment na. Sayang.
Sige, sir. Bell, palihog.
Okay.
Sige, ma'am. Ako sa contact, ma'am.
Ay.
Judy.
Yes.
I'm not sure my mobile cannot log in, cannot connect. Did you restrict or limit the connection?
No. No. Same. I only made the one meeting, MS Teams link.
Okay. So I think looks like now we have 19% joining, right? So all person already, right?
Yeah, you can start already.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Chachawan from Thailand. Today we have scheduled to training the basic operation and installation of the EMS 2000. So let me share the screen. Okay. Judy, did you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I want to show you with the real, real, real size now with another camera. I don't know why I cannot join. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, we can see you now.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So when I share the screen, I cannot see my camera view, right?
Yep.
Okay. So but you but Jundi, you see my screen and my camera together in the same time, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So no problem. Um, Actually, I already prepared this one to mounting the camera, but like it's not working. So I need to hold it in my hand like this. Okay. Today we have I already set up the sun sensor to connect with the EMS 2000, and we will start from the basic. Okay. Okay, this is the outline for today. So we will start from the product introduction, EMS 2000, and then the knowledge requirement. I mean, this training will be go to a little bit deep down. So we have we require the trainee or you to know some basic knowledge, and then I will introduce you a software center. Then system configuration, how to upgrade the EMS 2000, and then interfacing with all these devices. So between the training, if you have a problem or you have a question, you can ask me by raise your hand. Okay? I'm very sure that you already know the EMS 2000, maybe from the data sheet or from the leaflet. We will look like this. The EMS 2000 is the Delta product. We call it, another name is the Enviro station. You track mount, and from the front.
Sorry, Chachawan. Sorry, hello. I'm Kanya.
Yes.
Chachawan. Yeah. Can you have to remote this course, this training course? Can you have to? Can you have to record this training course?
Actually, I'm not the host.
Yeah. So okay. Please continue.
So, what is my screen? What happened? Hello. Hey Question D.
We can hear you, Chachawan.
Okay, sorry. I'm not sure why I disconnected. Okay, I start sharing again. Okay, so for the recording, I'm so sorry. I don't know why, but anyway, however, you can continue to start. Okay, this is the one you EBS 2000. Its size is one U. This is the front panel. In the front, it have only the LED status to show the status of the interfacing port, analog input, digital input, and sensor hub. Okay, from the rear side, this is the connection from the rear side. So when you installing in the rack, you need to make sure that after you installing, because you see the rack, the depth of EMS 2000 quite too short. When you mounting close to maybe the server or auto switch, that longer. I mean, it's deeper than this EMS 2000. When you want to need to connect the connection, the connector from the rear side, it will be difficult. So please planning before you installing. Okay, this one is the interfacing port from the of the network port. We have a console port, RS-485, Delta bus, and sensor hub. I think this information you can find from the datasheet. So from my training, I will not go through the document measure. I will hand on and show you the real setting and operating. Okay. Before I start, I may require your basic knowledge. So actually, before the training, I require knowledge about the basic radix, like a binary, octodecimal, hexadecimal operation and conversion. Why I need this? Because when you use EMS 2000 to connect with some device, even like a EMS 1000, you need to set up the ID, which is ID is setting from the deep switch. The deep switch is the binary. So that means you need to know the binary. You need to convert the binary to the decimal. So this is why I require this. Even the conversion, when you read the power, when you read the voltage, you use EMS 2000, connect with the power meter, digital power meter via RS-485, then you get the data. But the data is not the real value. You need to convert. Okay. Like a floating point or integer, unsigned integer, something like this. And the second, basic electrical. Actually, this one you need to know electrical, like what is the voltage, what is current, and what is the resistor. And the Ohm's law, just for physical. And then the basic networking and utility. You must you must configure the IP address by yourself. You can use command, telnet, and SSH. So this you need to know and can do. The last one, the basic programming. This is the optional. If you know the basic programming, then you have the advantage. Okay. So from this knowledge requirement, okay, If no, I will continue. Before start,
Robert,
yes.
Robert, sorry. Is there a software that needs to be used or installed by the end user to be able to use the EMS 2000?
No, actually, no need another software to install, but this one is the utility. Actually, you can call it software also. Yeah.
Okay. So this EMS 2000 can be used even not by Delta equipment.
Yes. Now, to today, I will show you the EMS 2000 connect with the ISO S5. So if you understand this, another third party that use ISO S5, you can integrate it. Okay. Before go to start, I would like to introduce the software download center. I'm sure 80% you don't know this one, the software center. What is this one? The software center is the web page or the website that you can download the resource of your UPS and Delta product. Sorry. And Delta product like this one. Okay, you can go to deltapowersolution.com and then go to the UPS section. Go to here, software download center, and it will pop up the page, and then you select software download center. So then you will go to this page. I will show you. This one. This one is the web page for MCAS software. You can download manual of Enviro Station or EMS 2000, Enviro Probe, this one, EMS 1000, 1100, the SNMP card of the UPS. Actually, this website is mainly for the UPS. You will see from the UPS, it have the software, connectivity, many. But today, I would like to introduce you only the Enviro Station page, this one. So, from the training, we will have I will show you how to upgrade it. You may have a question why I need to upgrade the firmware, because some our ID they have a launcher patch to upgrade the like a security, sometimes like an email and some feature to solve some bug, thing like this. So you can go to this page and check the latest version of the firmware, and you can upgrade by yourself. If you cannot solve, you can try to upgrade the firmware. Okay. Even the manual, you can download the manual here. Actually, after you get the manual of the EMS 2000 quite in detail. Sometimes you read and you don't understand what the manual say. So that's why the training is already here. Okay, that is. You can get it later. Okay. So I will start from the system configuration. System configuration, we have a 3 items to do. You can configure EMS 2000 by web browser. So by web browser, or setting software is for configuration only, or in the tech mode by the telnet output or serial port and console port. Okay, I will show you how to configure by the web browser first. You may need to remember. Host name, IP address. This one is the default username and password. Now I connect my computer. This one connect directly from the LAN to the network port of the EMS 2000. Actually, you see, I mean need to disconnect another one that use. I just have the power and the LAN cable. Okay. So when you get install and when you get power up EMS 2000, you may need to set your IP address of your computer. This way is easier. So I don't show you how to set the IP address because it's from the basic deployment you need to know. After you set the IP address, according to this class, then you just open the web browser and then key in the IP address of the EMS 2000. Okay, if you input the information and then sometimes it's not it's slow, maybe you need to wait. If you wait 1 minute, 2 minutes and it's still blank, maybe you need to try with the tool to ping the IP address, check the connection, everything. Now it's already. User admin password, use default is password. Okay, I don't want to update. This is the first login. When you log in and you get and you use the default password, you will get the pop-up that EMS 2000 require you to change the new password. If you want to change, no problem. You can use the default as password. Okay. So from the web browser, you can monitor this one. For monitor the device that connected to EMS 2000, and you can see the history. This one is the about, show you current firmware version. This one 01, 12 and 43A from the website 01R13. So that means from the website the firmware is newer. Okay, I will upgrade it later. From this you will see we have a three major tab monitor, tab device and tab system. Device, tab system. Okay, for the tab device management, this tab we will use to configuration. Okay, we will talk about later. System, this one. System.
Robert? Hello? Hello?
Katwan, cannot hear you.
Shawan? Think he hung up.
Hey, John.
Connection pause. Hi,
Yes,
sir.
connection.
Jerry Luz? Jerry Luz? Ma'am? Naka-join ba yung end user mo? Yung customer mo?
Yes po.
Okay. Record na lang din nila, ma'am.
Sige sir, sabihan ka po.
Okay po. Thank you. Sir Chawan, you're back. Robert?
Hello. Sorry. I
There you go.
got disconnect. Okay. So
Yeah.
I continue.
Robert, Chachawan,
Yes.
how many device we can connect to EMS 2000?
How many device or how many
Yes.
client? Actually, how many device is limit on this one, the port. If
The
you have,
port, how many ports we have?
yes, you see, it depend on the device.
Uh,
If your device is a digital, so you can connect up to 4. If your
Okay.
device is analog, you can this one. So
So
if-
our EMS 1000 is what? Under which one? Our EMS 1000.
okay, if you want to connect EMS 1000, you need to connect with this port, right? The Delta bus. So
Which one? Delta bus. Okay.
yes, the connect to the Delta bus is one.
Yeah.
The maximum.
Chachawan, I just want.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Chachawan. Let me just interrupt. Jerry Luz. Ma'am, ano ba yung mga i-connect na device ng client mo? Puro EMS 1000 lang? Can you check?
I'll check with her.
Jerry Luz. Ako. Kung EMS na 1000 lang, yung Delta bus na port yung gagamitin nila. Okay? Nandito ba siya, ma'am, Jerry Luz?
Sir John, in behalf of yes, yung partner po natin from Handpick, nandito po.
Okay. So, are they just connecting the EMS 1000 to the EMS 2000?
Mhm.
That's one I'm asking the
Yes,
customer of Argent.
Answer po, Sir John.
yes,
Go ahead,
yes,
go
po, sir. Like, AMS.
So, you, only EMS 1000, sir.
Okay.
Correct.
If actually you can connect EMS 1000, 1100, 1200 together. But it's for Delta EnviroProf only. It's not for other device. For the Delta bus, this port is Delta bus. It's for EnviroProf only. EnviroProf, that means it is the EMS 1000, 1200, and this one. EnviroProf, we have a EMS 1000, 1100, and 1200. This is the sensor. But
That's
you,
one, they only purchase the EMS 1000. They will connect the EMS 1000 to the EMS 2000.
Mhm. Okay, only one. So the maximum is 16.
So 16 pieces of EMS 1000 can be installed or connected to the EMS 2000. One EMS 2000, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, but actually, if you want to connect more than that, if you want to connect EMS 1000 more than 16, we have another way. So, but we not connect to the Delta bus. We need to connect through the RS4, S5 instead, because EMS, the Envelope or EMS 1000. Actually, it is the RS4, S5 device or Modbus device RTU. So, if this port support this port can support only 16, and you want to connect more than this, then you need to you can connect to this one, RS4, S5 port. Okay, we will discuss later about this. Okay.
Chachawan,
Yes.
sorry, this is Paul. You're trying to say that the Delta bus, we can able to daisy chain 16 numbers of EMS 1000, correct?
Correct. Yes.
So if we need to connect more than 16, then we can use the Modbus.
Yes, because Envelope is Modbus.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
Chachawan. So if the
Yes.
Modbus also for the another port RS, the Modbus also can be cascading, yeah, or chain, yeah,
Yes.
or until
Yes.
16 as well.
Yes.
Oh, so totally
From-
one EMS 2000 can be for the 32 EMS 1000.
Actually, you see, from the spec, RS4, S5 one port can support up to 16 also, right? So we have two
Yes.
ports. That means
Oh,
32.
that's two.
32 and then plus 16. That means we can connect up to 48.
Understood. Okay, clear.
But Delta bus EMS 1000, the port is not, the connection port is RJ45. It cannot connect directly to this one, right? And it needs the power. When you want to connect EMS 1000 to RS4, S5 port, maybe you need to modify the connector and find the external power supply 12 volt to EMS 1000.
Okay, so we need to additional power and connector, yeah.
Yes,
Special
correct.
connector. 12 volt.
So I will continue. This one, for the local limitation, someone forgot to allow any, and when you connect EMS 2000 with the router, and you want to remote from another side, that your computer have different IP. So EMS 2000 will block you if you check this, only this and only. This is the login. Actually, this one is the default setting. Only this LAN. So if you cannot, if you can log in, if you can log, go to this page. This one. If you can go to this page, but you cannot log in. Even it show you the limited something. So you need to enable the option that I said before. This one, allow any. Actually, this have the question in the test. Okay, so for user, and this one is the for testing of the IP. EMS 2000 support IPv4 and IPv6. This one, if you want to set the static IP, you need to disable the DHCP. If you set the DCP enable. So the IP will not fix. Same IPv6, and this one is the host name. Host name. Okay. From the web, actually, I don't want to go through all the menu because you can try by yourself. It's not so difficult. Console for FTP time server. Time server, we have two options. You want to set the SNTP or manual. Or for the syslog, if you want EMS 2000 to send the log to syslog, then you need to identify the IP address of the syslog server. Okay, so this is the one way you can configure the EMS 2000 by the IP address. So if you forgot the IP address, maybe you change something. Okay, I try. I will show you a little bit because I found that many customers, they set the IP address and they forgot and cannot recover and they don't know how to. Okay, I will show you. One. I will just show you. I change the IP to this one. Then, okay. After I submit the IP address, this one you cannot access, right? Right. Okay. Now the LAN port of EMS 2000 still linked. And then my IP address is 119. Okay, this is my IP address, so it's different class, right? So even I try this one, cannot. So then I try this one, ping. Okay, I think cannot. Okay, try this one. Okay, so how to anyone propose the solution, or anyone have this problem before and how you solve?
No.
Okay.
Never.
Huh? So actually you can access from, if you don't know the IP address, you can access from the host name. Try with host name. So Do you remember the default host name? Host name is inside power. Try. Did not work? Why? Okay. Actually, because I just changed the IP address and maybe you can, if you don't know, the way, I suggest you go to the user manual and then in the user manual chapter 7, it shows you the troubleshooting. Okay, we have a experience from, you can read this one first before you maybe ask someone. Okay, we have many case. Okay, from this I will try this one. Okay, because maybe the host name did not update. Reload, then try. If still cannot, maybe the different or something, then we have, now you cannot access by the web browser, right? You may try to ping everything, cannot. You cannot. So the next one, we have easy setting software. Okay, if the browser did not work, you try to ping anything did not work, so try with easy setting software. Okay, how you get this software? You can download from Software Center. This one, Software Center. Easy setting. This one, you can download from here. This software no need to install, it just the run time only. Okay, actually I already download one, so I will double click to, and then I need to select the IP address of my LAN. This one is my IP address, and then I click discover. So it did not work, right? Because sometimes if you try with easy setting and it didn't work, because of your interfacing if so many, so maybe you need to disable other LAN. Try. This one. So I have many, so I will disable this one first and keep only Ethernet. For the Wi-Fi, now I cannot, because of, if I disable the Wi-Fi, so the team will lost. So this one I will give it the last, and then run the software again. remaining 2. Okay, it did not work. So try this one again, and this. And the last one is the Wi-Fi. If it still didn't work, okay. So I may need to disable, but you can see from another screen, I will show you the one computer. You disable. Okay, sorry, I swapped to my mobile phone. Now I disable the Wi-Fi and easy setting.
Freezing ya. It's not move.
Now you need to view the mobile phone of Chachawan because he disconnected the Wi-Fi connection.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's freezing ya.
Yes. Now you can see from my mobile phone. Okay. So even you disable the Wi-Fi. You see? Now I disable it all. Only this one. Then push interfacing 172. What this? Oh. Okay. From this, you will see I try many way, but still cannot get the IP address. That means this way still didn't work, right? Okay, I will recover the Wi-Fi again. And I will rejoin. Sorry for okay. So sorry for the thing that I need to show you. This is the real case that you may be found when you setting the and you forget the IP address. So that's why I show you the all case. Okay, now we are back. We use easy setting, but still not working. Then we need to try the last one, tech mode, with Telnet PuTTY or serial port. For Telnet and PuTTY, you need to know the IP address, right? But you don't know the IP, you forgot it. That means this option you cannot. The last one is the serial port. Okay, let's try. From the serial port, I got this one. Okay, this one is the console port of EMS 2000. You will see it have the mark 2400 N81. This is the baud rate and parity and stop and data bit and stop bit setting of the serial port, and it's still console port. That means if you want to use this port, you must set your computer baud rate to this one. So the two units is this one. This one is the cable. It is a USB cable to for me it is a RS232. USB to RS232. Actually, you can buy from the Shopee or from the Lazada. Now you can. I think it's not difficult. And then this cable is bundled or shipped within the EMS 2000. So don't throw this cable away. Please keep it. Please keep it. The cable, the one end is the RJ45 and another is DB9, female. Okay, this one is female, this one is a male. So you can connect it together. And then from the USB end, I will connect to my computer. Okay, and then another end, this one RJ45, I will connect to the console. And then we will go to the computer. Okay, I need to check the port number, the serial port number for me, for my country. So we have software to communicate serial port. If you remember from the user manual, they will suggest you to use this one, terminal, hyper terminal. But this software is and you cannot find it easily. So I propose you to use a new one, PuTTY, this one. PuTTY, to use this one, PuTTY. Instead, okay, actually PuTTY you can telnet also SSH or serial. From PuTTY you select serial and you change to COM3. Speed, if you remember, we need to change to 2400. Okay, from this point, anyone have question? Okay, just click open and then we will see this one, blank screen. Sorry. Yes, we can use Chrome or Edge. I will show you. Oh, you can see video on screen.
We can see it now, chat.
Okay. From this is the blank screen, right? You press enter. See? Enter. You need to press any enter. It will show you a login. Okay, I will show you again. Just close this one and open PuTTY. The software PuTTY you can download from the website COM3. Okay. And then open. See, now blank. You need to press enter. And then you remember the login is the same. User, to forget you forgot the IP address, but you don't forgot the login, right? Password is the same. See, now we can access the setup. Okay, the setup is tech mode. Tech mode, that means you will see this one is the number that you need to input, and this one is the description. Okay, we need to change the IP address back, so we need to go to number 2. I will select 2. After you select 2, it will change the menu to this one. Okay, you see, IPv4 is 10.0. You have 2 options. You can change your computer to this IP address, or you can change the new IP address. From mine, I will change it back to the default. Okay, I will select 1, and then IP address. For the gateway, actually can setting, but okay, set it 3. Set the gateway. Yeah, it will show you now the setting this one, but it is the setting is not save or apply. You need to go back and then you see press 0 back to the previous menu and then save and exit 0. Okay. After it, we try ping again. Okay, now respond. We are back. We can use. Can access. I hope we can access to the default IP. Okay, I will try with it.
Chachawan,
Yes,
how about you forgot your login details?
you mean forgot the IP address and username and password, right?
Yes, correct.
You need to reset default factory. You have only one way to connect to the console port, but even you connect to console port, it will require you the username and password, right? Okay, don't worry. This one, from the user manual, they mention about this at the chapter 7. This one, forgot administrator account and password. So you can reset account password by text mode. That means maybe comport. And then you must key in RST admin within 30 seconds and press enter.
Gotcha. So you don't need to do a hard reset on the EMS 2000.
Actually, hard reset, you mean this one, right? This port is reset. From my camera.
Yep.
I show you this button. Actually, this button cannot reset factory. It's just reset the network only.
So just the IP address.
Yeah. No, it cannot change anything. It's just reset in case of maybe the the communication is hang or stuck or something, you can try to press the reset.
So
But
just like a refresh.
yes, that's like a refresh. It's like a restart. It's like a restart, not reset.
Gotcha.
Restart the network. So even you press any for long time, it cannot reset the setting to factory or anything.
All right.
So
Thank you.
the one way, if you lost the username, password, or you lost the IP address, you need to go to the console port. And even you go to the console port and you forgot the username and password, you need to do this one, RST version number 10. So you guys want me to show you how to do?
Just 30 seconds after you press enter. There's a login details. It will require you to enter the login details, right?
Yes.
So probably, I think it's the first 30 seconds, and then you need to put the RST admin.
Actually, until you try by yourself, you will get the question. Okay, I let you try by yourself. You can try to set another username and password and try to reset. Okay, for other person also, because actually I already tried it before. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't work. If it worked, no problem. But if it didn't work,
Problem.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a problem. Actually, for the few weeks ago, I have the interesting case from Vietnam. We cannot access the console port, cannot access the internet port, cannot access the IP address.
So how?
So we try to use another tool like a Wireshark.
Wireshark.
Yes, Wireshark to see the package
Gotcha.
of the IPv6, and then after we get the because EMS 2000 support both IPv4
and IPv6,
right? Then
Yep.
if IPv4 didn't work, so you can go through IPv6.
Yeah, that's so technical. Yeah.
Yeah. So don't worry, every problem have
Yeah. That's another workaround. Yeah. Gotcha.
yes.
I have additional question, Chachawan.
Yes.
Because I just learned today that we can integrate EMS 1000 up to 48 in one EMS 2000. So my question is, what will be the unique IDs for the ID7, ID16 onwards?
Yeah, because the unique ID is cannot duplicate in the same
Correct.
bus, right? But you have three
In the dip switch, right?
in the dip switch. Okay, I will show you later. We will go to that section later.
Okay.
Okay, now we can use text mode, this one. And then how about Telnet? Telnet is if you cannot log in to the web browser, like you forgot to allow any of this one, so you cannot log into web. Another way you can log in by the Telnet. I will show you a little bit. Okay. Telnet is easy. Admin password. The same is the tech mode. Tech mode is the same. The same as the console, but it's faster. Okay. This is the for the Telnet. Okay. Next. Oops, sorry. Okay. Next is the upgrade firmware. Okay, if you have a problem, maybe you cannot solve. Even you can try to upgrade the new latest firmware. As I show you, you can download from this one, the website. After you get this, you have two options to upgrade. Use easy setting or use web browser. From I recommend to use easy setting first, because from if you use the web browser, maybe you upgrade from the remote quite far side. It's different between you upgrade. If the connection like a router have a problem between the between you and EVET 2000, it's mean damage. Okay, try with easy setting. Okay, now the IP address, easy setting, select this one and press discover. It will show you a Delta product, IP address, host name, anything. Okay. Modify. You need to set. This process already mentioned in the user manual. I just show you how to do. For the deep detail, you can read it. You can configure this one. For the easy setting, is for configuration like a net based on nature on the networking. And then upgrade this one. Then you can browse the file you download and then upgrade now. It takes time around 5 minutes. So I will show you later. This is I just show you how to go from the web browser. This one, go to the system administration and then you see the menu upgrade. Upgrade, same. Browse the upgrade file and then upload. From the web browser, it takes around 5 minutes, same as the easy setting. Okay, after upgrade. Okay, now for the setting of the EMS 2000, we already done. Next, we will go to start with the digital input first. Okay, from the digital input, if you see this one, you will see the label is marked. You have the plus, minus, and com. And this one, the port 1, DI1. Okay, DI1 is digital input 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? All of 4, it have 3 pin, plus, minus, and com. Plus, minus, and com. So, this one can support dry contact and wet contact. I'm sure you know dry contact. Actually, dry contact is just like a switch, something like this, dry contact. If you want to use the dry contact, maybe like a switch or relay or something, you need to connect with the minus and com. How about wet contact? Actually, wet contact is the name just opposite from the dry. So we call it wet and dry. So dry is mean like no power. Yep. Wet is mean dry is mean no voltage or voltage free, right? Wet is mean we have the voltage. So if you want to get set the wet contact to this, you need to use a plus and minus. I will show you both types of the dry contact. Okay, let's see. I will disconnect another cable first. This one is no need. This one is the leakage sensor. And move over there. And this one. Okay. Now the EMS 2000 have only the LAN port and another connection. I remove it all. I will show you how to do the digital input first. This one is the sensor. Actually, it's the door sensor. It's a bundle or come with EMS 2000. When you buy the EMS 2000, you will get this one is the door sensor. This one is a magnetic, and this one is the switch. When it's close together, like when you close the door, the contact will be closed. Or short it together. This is for dry contact, and for wet contact. I will use the battery. Sorry, I didn't have the tray. I will use the remote control and get the voltage, 3 voltage from the remote, and then connect together. For dry contact, I already connected already. We connect this one. Okay, I will start from the dry contact first. The port I connect here, minus and com. Okay. So if we expect that when we connect, when we close the door, it will have no alarm, right? Something like this. But when we open the door, it should be alarm. Okay, this is the condition that we want. That means when we close the door, the contact will be closed. Okay, then we will try to setting here at EMS 2000. You can go to the device. And then you will see the digital input here. We have four channel. So I will config alarm, event type, and this one door status, something like this. Name a title. Okay, and then submit. From this setting, anyone have question?
Chat, this is also can define yeah for NO or NC.
Yes, correct.
Mix, right? Okay.
Yes, NONC. And I will show it later. And I will show you later. Okay, after we setting, we can go to monitor.
Chat,
Yes,
can we series to door sensor?
sorry?
Can we series the two door sensors?
See, what?
Series. I mean, say if you have a rack, you install door sensor on the front as well as door sensor on the back.
You cannot series.
Okay.
You need to parallel.
Okay, parallel. Okay, noted.
Yes. Now I do this one. Open. Is work?
Yeah, digital input door status alarm, right?
Yeah. When now you see the door status, this one, and when I put here together. Sorry. the status is disappear, or when I go out, or like open the door and it has alarm. So you will see its alarm here. If you want to change the event, it's not alarm, it's just warning. You can change from the event type here. We have warning or information. So what difference between this? Actually, from the EMS 2000 monitoring, it's almost the same, right? Because it's have event. But when you use the like a DSIM or EMS 3000 to get the data from EMS 2000, this event type have different value. So the DSIM will be treated at different condition. So you must make sure that you select the correct event. Okay. Now try with NC normal close. What happened? As you exit normal close, the logic will be inverse, right? That means when you open, it will off, but when you close, it will alarm. It's just the inverted condition. Okay. This is for digital input. Question? If no question, okay, we will try with wet contact. Okay, this one I will use the cable
Chat,
here. Yes.
what are the usual usage of wet contacts? Do we have any sensors available that are using or that is using wet type contact?
Actually, yes, like a smoke,
Smoke sensor.
yeah, some sensor like a smoke, it will send you a voltage when it have alarm, something like this. Smoke sensor, or I'm not sure. It's maybe like a hydrogen sensor. It's another sensor can send the wet contact. It depends on, but commonly used is the dry contact.
Yep.
So I'll try. Okay. Now I connect the wet contact as plus and minus of the channel 4. Oops. Yeah. Plus and minus of channel 4, and then the battery I need to apply the battery. Okay. Let's see configuration.
right?
Yes.
It's then.
Yeah. Looks like a connection is not good. Sorry.
Right.
Yeah.
Is your material is only the operation, or do you any products information about the EMS 2000? Or
Pardon?
today is the for the operation, yeah, how to connect, how to configure EMS 2000 only.
Yes, yes. This today is for it 2000 only. We will because for it image 2000 we have, you see, we have a Delta bus RS-5, this one, the remaining. So it cannot go to the DSIM or auto software. Even the image 2000 is it take a lot of time. Okay.
So this is kind of the data collector to can be monitoring only, yeah.
Yes, yes, data collector only. It's like a gateway only. Okay. It looks like a connection problem. Okay. Sorry. I will skip this first, and then I will.
Yeah.
If I have a time, I will so it continue. Sorry.
Yes.
But
yes,
okay,
yes.
you need to. You can do it like a dry contact, the same. Just supply the power. Okay. Next one is the sensor hub. Actually, for sensor hub is the same. Sensor hub same as the digital input, but the sensor hub is here. You will see we have a 8 port, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 port. But the advantage of the sensor hub that is every port have the power supply from EMS 2000, supply from to the device. Okay.
Not sure. I'm not sure this people can see your screen or not.
Yes.
Are you share set screen?
I can see.
Yes, you can.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now I show you from the camera. The sensor hub is here. Okay. The sensor hub port. The sensor hub port is RJ45. It's different from the digital input. And when you want to connect, you need the adapter, this one. From you see from my camera. This one is the sensor hub, EMS hub adapter. So you need the LAN cable. One LAN cable connect from the sensor hub port and to this adapter, and then you will see this one. It's similar with the digital input. See, you have a plus, minus, and actually G is a common. The difference is that this port can supply the 12 volt and 24 volt. So if you have a sensor like a smoke sensor or some sensor that need the power, you can supply from this, and then you get the status back like a dry contact. But this one is a digital input.
What you call this one? Product? What the part number?
Actually, this one is bundle shipped with EMS 2000.
Oh, included with the EMS 2000?
Yeah.
Okay.
Included.
Okay.
We have
get only one this one, only one pieces.
No, you get all parts. 8 part. You get this one 8 piece.
X piece. Oh, I see.
Yes.
Because in recent we never see this one, so checking. Okay, if this is already included.
This one, from my, you will see we have the sensor hub connect to here, and this one is the port number. Okay.
Okay, I see.
And yeah, same. We can try to use this one, but I think it's the same. You can connect unit, but you see the setting almost the same with the digital input. We have title, event, and NONC. This one, sensor hub, same as the digital input.
Yep.
So I need to show you, right? But special, the sensor hub port 1 and 2, the power, I mean the voltage, you can control open, on and off. For the remaining another 3 until 8 cannot. It's constant supply. When you use the multimeter to check the port, you can measure the voltage port 3 to 8 all the time. But port 1 and port 2, it depends on the configuration. You can control it like this. So this page have the special for port 1 and port 2 for power configuration. Why we have this feature? Because like a beacon, this one, beacon 1. The beacon is made when you supply 12 voltage to the beacon, is the alarm. Sorry. So if you want to control the alarm, that means you need to control the supply, right? So that's why we can connect the beacon to the sensor hub port 1 or 2. This one. Sorry. Okay. For the beacon, I will connect it later. For the sensor hub, have question? Or you want me to show you how to connect?
Yes.
Okay, show you how to connect, right? Okay, let's see. I need to remove the digital input one first. Then this one from input up. This one is the sensor hub, and I will connect the polarity plus and minus to the G. This one. 12 volt and G.
I checked about the
Yes.
EMS 1000. This is chain, right? The connection. In case in the, for example, the EMS ID number 8 is lost or fail. So it means
This one?
yes. In case they fail, the connection or the
Yes.
problem.
All the remaining number 9 until 15 is lost.
Lost cannot. And do we have
No.
any solution?
Actually, if this one fail, but the
Okay.
connection still not removed, so another one still working, right?
Okay.
if the unit fail, because the
The unit-
connector, yeah, only the connector
Mm.
connect together.
If connector is loose or maybe some problem, that will be the remaining will be cannot read, right? Cannot
Yes.
monitoring.
Yes.
Is any like second or redundancy cabling or not? Or
If you want to do redundancy, it's quite difficult.
difficult, yeah. So this is only the way now, the recently solution for the
Yes.
EMS 1000. I see.
Okay, now I connect. Done. Connect with beacon. This beacon bundle include in INVEST 2000. And then this is the port I connect. Plus it have the label marking here. I connect only the power, right? 12 volt and G. I did not connect the input. Actually, if you have a sensor, you can connect here also. And then I connect the LAN cable to the sensor hub port 1. Okay, let's see the configuration. Port 1. Port 1 for the input, I did not touch because I did not have the sensor. I will configure the power. You see, is this the normal off, active periods, and manual operation. Okay, if I want to turn on, from you can see from my camera and from my share screen, I control it on. Oh, it will,
Blinking, yeah. It can be remote,
yes,
yeah.
blinking with sound. And now it stops automatically after 20 seconds. You see, active period.
Okay.
It will on 20 seconds. If you want it to on until you press off, you need to set it 0. It will always on until you press off.
Maximal, how many the period, the range of the second?
Actually, the period, I never try for the maximum. You can try.
Okay.
4, 9, 5, submit. I think it's not allowed. Eh? This is the maximum.
300, yeah. 300 something. 340.
Hmm? $500 something like this. Maybe 9 hours, something like this. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
I think 5 6 is enough now. Okay, this is for the manual control. That means if you want to alarm to set the alarm, you must go to the website and then control by on and off by yourself. It's not make sense, right? So for the manual operation, this is reserved for the DSIM. DSIM can send the control on and off from DSIM. If you set it automatically, this port will be controlled by the reaction. So when when you want to config, you need to make sure it will the beacon or this power will be controlled by EMS 2000 itself or by another software like a DSIM or BMS or something through the SNMP. Okay, now I will set it automatically, and then we will use reaction to control it later. Okay, for sensor hub question. Okay, if you have if you don't have a question, I have a question to ask. Someone can answer. You know this symbol? Can you get this symbol? Why is have only 1 and 2?
Is need to power?
That's power.
Yeah. So it will light change from the gray maybe to yellow when the power is on. Try. I will show you the last example of sensor hub. On. Oh, sorry. Then on. You see? 5 seconds. You see? Now is the yellow. After the beacon stop, it will go to
Gray. Okay.
gray again. Okay. For sensor hub, I think it's okay. Next is analog input. Analog input. Yeah. For analog input, this one from my camera. This port. We have 4 analog input. 1, 2, 3, 4. Channel 1 and 2 is a general analog input. You can supply the voltage, current, and number 3 is for RTD. RTD is a resistance temperature detector. Support 2Y or 3Y. And the last one, number 4, is the leak sensor. So the leak sensor for number 4 is not that one. The leak sensor, this one is for leak sensor from Delta. Is another one that different from this.
Is it spot leak?
Is the white cable and I remember I forget the part number, but it's not that one.
What is liquid wiring? Is mean what the purpose of is liquid? Short
This one?
circuit liquid or what? Or
Yes,
water.
water. Normally
Oh,
water.
water for
Water
the cooling side. I
Yeah.
see.
Do we have limitations on how long the leakage wiring chat?
Yes, we have.
How
This
many meters?
this leakage port is for Delta sensor only. Another third party cannot use.
Oh,
That yellow one is third party, right?
Yeah, that's why today I prepare third party, the yellow one you see from my camera, to show you how to integrate that with the EMS 2000.
Okay.
Okay. This one 0 to 10 volt, 4 to 20 milliamp. Okay, start. I will start show you by the leakage. I'm not sure you see. Okay. Device and analog input. Yeah. From the setting of at EMS 2000, channel 1, 2, 3, 4, you will see the difference. Okay. This one, ADC minus A multiplied by B and dy by C and minus D. This one is coefficient when you get the data from analog input, because analog input is value, it's not like a status on and off, right? It have the value, it have the level. So to convert electrical value to computer, we have to use the A to D ADC. Inside EMS 2000 is built in 12-bit ADC. Example, like when EMS 2000 read 1 voltage, maybe it get the value 500. If it get the value 2 voltage, the ADC will be 1000. Something like this. After we get the ADC value, we can use the match this one coefficient to scale the value. Okay, you see, if ADC is minus A is 0, that means it's equal to ADC. ADC multiplied by B is 1, so 1 is multiplied by ADC is equal to ADC. And then if dy by C 1, that means it's equal to ADC, and minus D is 0. So from the default, that means it's no scale for the ADC. If you read if you get 500, that means no scale. I will show you. Okay, this one, we will use this leakage sensor. Okay, so actually this leakage sensor you can find from the website. Is the advantage is when it touch the water, it's clean very easy, and it have the protection quite strong. The sensor, you will see it have the black and yellow, 2 wire. So the yellow one is the protector. It's not the sensor. The sensor is the black one, the small one, this one. From the black sensor, I connect 2 wire. When you connect the sensor like this, you need to use like a tube to protect the cable. It cannot touch each other. When it touch each other, the sensor will be measure the wrong value. And at the end terminal, I put the resistor 1 kilo ohm at the end terminal. Okay. So, anyone have question with this cable? Maybe you order this cable from another and cannot integrate it. If you have a question, so you can ask me now. Okay, otherwise I will connect this one cable with the analog one. The sensor have two cable, right? I connect one to the analog input. Yeah. Connect the one to analog input. I select to use the current. And then I will connect the, okay, now I put the sensor to the current of analog input, and then I need the supply. So how to supply? I need to use supply from sensor hub. I do this way. Sorry. Okay, from sensor hub, I connect 12 volt from sensor hub. Okay, this one is 12 volt, connect to one end sensor, and then another one connect to the analog input to the current, get the current, and then another sensor hub can connect to maybe 128, anyone that can supply the power, because sensor hub we need only power, from sensor hub. From this point, have question why I need to do like this?
You using this one just to get the power only?
Yes, because
Right.
this sensor, this cable, actually the characteristic of this cable is the resistance. When the water is, when it detect the water, the resistance is will change very low, like almost closed circuit, but it's not closed circuit. It still have the different. It's still lower resistance. Okay, that means when you supply the power 12 volt in normal condition, you will get the one value, right? When it detect the water, resistance is low, the current can flow much, correct?
Yes, I see.
Okay. And then after I connect the IM sensor hub, I connect number 8. Okay. This one. Now you can wiring the cable to the under the desk floor. Okay. Then go to EMS 2000 to set up. This one, I will change to third party leakage. Okay, I just name it only for channel 1. And then we can go to monitor to see the value. Now the door alarm, because we remove the sensor, right? Okay, you know what? Now this one, you see, at the analog input, third party, it show the number 556. 556. That means is this the number that current can detect? What happens if I disconnect the power? See, 1, 2, 3. I disconnect the sensor hub. No power supply to the sensor. This one, 0.
I see.
This
So 556 is automatically calculated from the third party. OEM
No.
2000.
Yeah, 556 is the value that EMS 2000 can measure. Now I supply the current. I no need to use the power meter. I no need to use the digital meter to measure the real current and convert by myself. No need. I just use the EMS 2000 to show what is the level of. Okay, this is the normal condition, right? Normal condition, that means when no water to the sensor, and the sensor that connect properly supply, so we can get this value. Okay, now if we want it alarm, we need to go to the configuration again. This one. Okay, it's warning. Okay, I will set it if it's less than 200. It's the warning. And it alarm if it's more than 700. You know why? Because the normal value is around 500. Think it? 556.
Yes.
Yeah. So when I throw the water, I expect that the value should be higher than this. Higher than this.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I set the limit if it's over 600. And this one. Oh. Submit. Okay. Try to maybe okay.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
557.
I will try to like a cable breaking, like a cable break, or someone do a cable breaking, like this. Maybe someone, maybe the customer. I will try to cut off the power. That means this one is the cable break, right?
Yes.
Hmm?
0.
You will see it will show warning. Yeah, warning because now it's 0. So we can use this event to explain that, oh, now the cable is breaking. How about, okay, when I connect it back, and then I will find the water to test the leakage. Now it's back to normal. Okay, now let's try with real water. I may need to find okay.
Using tissue, huh?
Yeah.
Tissue then. Tissue.
Si air,
Wet
Pak.
tissue.
Huwag kasih air niyo.
I have tissue, and I will use the cable.
Yeah. Touch it.
Touch it, see?
Mm-hmm.
And see, oh, now the value is increased, but it
Right.
increased very less. Maybe the water is not enough.
Oh,
See,
why?
now it's 590.
90.
Because you see the water is not so much. It's maybe not
Understand.
alarm. Now you see, now it's 600 something.
600.
It's alarm already.
Then.
Then you can fine tune the